Don't get cleaner than this, especially for this generation. Dakota.
Questions? 448-1500.
Counting down 7 forgotten factory muscle trucks of the 90s. Number 7. 1990 Chevrolet 454 SS. At first glance, the 1990 Chevrolet 454S looked like an ordinary work truck. It had a simple body style, a regular cab, and a long hood. But hidden beneath that hood was something that made enthusiasts pay attention immediately. Chevrolet took its C1500 pickup and installed a massive 454 cubic inch V8 engine. At a time when most trucks focused on towing and hauling, Chevrolet decided to create a street-oriented performance truck. The result was one of the most memorable factory muscle trucks ever built. The big block V8 produced 230 horsepower and an impressive 385 lb-ft of torque. Those numbers may not sound shocking today, but in 1990, they gave the truck serious street presence. Press the throttle, and the rear tires could easily break loose, creating the kind of excitement muscle car fans loved. The 454 SS came with a sport-tuned suspension, special wheels, unique decals, and a distinctive black paint scheme that became its trademark. Chevrolet wanted people to know this wasn't a normal pickup. What made the truck special wasn't just speed. It was attitude. The deep rumble from the exhaust, the massive torque, and the aggressive appearance made it feel like a muscle car disguised as a pickup. Despite its popularity among enthusiasts, many people today forget that Chevrolet helped launch the modern performance truck movement with the 454 SS. Long before high horsepower factory pickups became common, this truck showed what was possible. Today, clean examples are becoming increasingly collectible, and many enthusiasts consider the 454 SS one of the most important performance trucks of the 1990s. It proved that a pickup could be more than a work vehicle. It could be a true muscle machine. Number 6. 1990 Dodge Dakota Sport Convertible. When people think of convertible performance vehicles, pickups are usually the last thing that comes to mind. Yet in 1990, Dodge decided to do something completely unexpected. The company introduced a factory-built convertible version of its Dakota pickup, creating one of the strangest and rarest trucks of the decade. The Dakota Sport Convertible wasn't the result of an aftermarket company cutting the roof off a standard truck. This was an official production model sold through Dodge dealerships. That alone makes it a fascinating piece of automotive history. The truck featured a manually operated soft top that could be folded down behind the seats, giving drivers an open-air experience normally reserved for sports cars. Suddenly, a pickup truck could deliver the feeling of cruising down the highway with the wind blowing through your hair. Power came from either a V6 or an available V8 engine, with many enthusiasts seeking out the V8-equipped versions today. While it wasn't built as an all-out muscle truck, the combination of V8 power and convertible styling gave it a personality unlike anything else on the road. One reason the Dakota Sport Convertible remains so forgotten is its limited production. Dodge only built the model for a short period, making surviving examples relatively rare. Many trucks were used as daily drivers, while others disappeared over the years due to age and wear. Back in 1990, the idea seemed unusual, even risky. Pickup buyers typically wanted practicality, durability, and cargo space. A convertible truck didn't fit the traditional formula, which made it difficult for the model to find a large audience. Today, however, that's exactly what makes it special. Automotive enthusiasts appreciate vehicles that dared to be different, and the Dakota Sport Convertible certainly qualifies. It stands as a reminder of a time when manufacturers were willing to experiment with bold ideas. More than 3 decades later, this unusual Dodge remains one of the most unique factory trucks ever produced. It's a forgotten 1990s oddity that continues to surprise people whenever one appears at a car show. Number 5. 1991 GMC Syclone. In the early 1990s, nobody expected a small pickup truck to challenge sports cars. Trucks were built for work, not for embarrassing performance machines at a stoplight. Then, GMC introduced the Syclone, and suddenly the rules changed. The 1991 GMC Syclone was one of the most shocking performance vehicles of its era. Based on the compact GMC Sonoma pickup, it looked small and unassuming, but underneath the body was technology and engineering that made it completely different from a normal truck. The heart of the Syclone was a turbocharged 4.3-liter V6 engine, producing around 280 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque. Those numbers were impressive, but the real secret was its advanced all-wheel drive system. Instead of wasting power through only the rear wheels, the Syclone could launch aggressively and put its power down with incredible confidence. Its performance was so impressive that it could compete with some of the fastest sports cars of the early 1990s. The combination of turbocharged power, lightweight construction, and all-wheel drive created acceleration that shocked many drivers. The exterior was also designed to separate it from regular Sonoma pickups. A lowered suspension, unique wheels, aggressive body styling, and a monochrome appearance gave it a serious performance attitude. However, the Syclone was produced in very limited numbers, making it rare from the beginning. Its unusual concept also meant that many buyers didn't understand what it was. Some people saw only a small truck, missing the engineering masterpiece underneath. Over time, enthusiasts began recognizing the Syclone as one of the most important performance trucks ever created. It helped prove that a pickup could deliver sports car performance without losing its unique character. Today, the 1991 GMC Syclone is remembered as a pioneer. It arrived decades before high-performance trucks became common and showed the world that a small pickup could be one of the most exciting vehicles on the road. Number 4. 1992 Dodge Dakota 5.2L V8 Sport. Before modern performance trucks became popular, Dodge was already experimenting with the idea of putting serious horsepower into a smaller pickup. The 1992 Dodge Dakota Sport, with the 5.2-liter V8, was one of those forgotten machines that quietly delivered muscle car character in truck form. The Dakota was positioned between compact pickups and full-size trucks, giving it a unique advantage. It was smaller and lighter than traditional V8 pickups, but Dodge gave it the kind of engine usually found in larger vehicles. Under the hood was Chrysler's legendary 5.2-liter Magnum V8, producing around 220 horsepower and strong low-end torque. While those numbers may seem modest today, the combination of a lighter chassis and rear-wheel drive made the Dakota feel much quicker than many expected. The Sport package added a more aggressive appearance with special wheels, sport styling details, and a more performance-focused image. It wasn't a limited edition monster, like some other trucks on this list, but it had the ingredients that enthusiasts appreciated: a V8 engine, a manual transmission option, and a lightweight pickup body. What made the Dakota special was its personality. It wasn't trying to be a luxury truck or a heavy-duty work machine. It was a simple, fun pickup built for drivers who wanted extra power without the size of a full-size truck. Unfortunately, the Dakota V8 Sport has been overshadowed by more famous performance trucks from the same era. Models like the GMC Syclone and Chevrolet 4x4 SS gained more attention, leaving the Dakota as one of the forgotten names from the 1990s truck scene. Today, collectors are beginning to appreciate these trucks because original V8 compact pickups are becoming harder to find. Clean examples represent a time when manufacturers were willing to create simple, exciting vehicles without complicated technology. The 1992 Dodge Dakota 5.2L V8 Sport may not have been the fastest truck of its era, but it helped build the foundation for the performance pickup movement that continues today. Number 3. 1998 Chevrolet Silverado Z71 350 V8. By the late 1990s, pickup trucks were becoming more comfortable, more capable, and more refined. But hidden among the growing number of practical trucks was a machine that still carried the old-school muscle truck spirit: the 1998 Chevrolet Silverado Z71, with the legendary 350 V8. The Silverado name represented a new generation of Chevrolet pickups, but the formula behind this truck was familiar: a strong V8 engine, rear-wheel drive performance, and a rugged personality that made it popular with truck enthusiasts. Under the hood was Chevrolet's proven 5.7-liter, 350 cubic inch V8 engine. Producing around 255 horsepower and strong torque, it delivered the kind of smooth, effortless power that made these trucks enjoyable to drive. It wasn't built as a street racer like the Syclone or 454 SS, but it had the heart of a classic American muscle machine. The Z71 package gave the Silverado a tougher identity. It included off-road suspension upgrades, unique styling elements, and equipment designed for drivers who wanted both performance and capability. This combination made it equally comfortable on highways, dirt roads, and rough terrain. What makes the 1998 Silverado Z71 interesting today is how easily it has been forgotten. Unlike limited production performance trucks, thousands were built, and many were used as daily work vehicles. Over the years, countless examples were modified, worn out, or simply disappeared. However, original trucks with the 350 V8 are becoming more appreciated among collectors. They represent an era when engines were simple, reliable, and easy to maintain. There was no need for complicated systems to create a satisfying driving experience. The Silverado Z71 350 V8 may not have received the same attention as more exotic trucks, but it captured something important: the connection between everyday practicality and American V8 performance. For many enthusiasts, this truck represents the final years of the classic V8 pickup era, before technology began changing the truck world forever. Number 2. 1998 Dodge Dakota RT. In the late 1990s, Dodge proved that a pickup truck didn't need to be huge to deliver serious performance. The 1998 Dodge Dakota RT arrived with a simple mission: take a mid-size truck, add V8 power, improve its handling, and create something that felt more like a muscle car than a work vehicle. The Dakota RT was powered by Chrysler's 5.9-liter Magnum V8 engine, producing 250 horsepower and 345 lb-ft of torque. Those numbers gave the compact pickup impressive acceleration, especially when combined with its lighter body compared to full-size trucks. Unlike many performance trucks that focused mainly on straight-line speed, Dodge gave the Dakota RT a sportier driving personality. It featured a lowered suspension, performance-tuned handling, wider tires, special wheels, and a more aggressive appearance that separated it from regular Dakota models. The styling was one of its biggest attractions. The body-colored grille, unique decals, deep front air dam, and muscular stance gave the truck a factory-built hot rod appearance. It looked like something designed for cruising streets rather than spending its life at a job site. Inside, the Dakota RT kept things simple but sporty. It offered a driver-focused layout with bucket seats and equipment that reminded owners they weren't driving an ordinary pickup. Despite its performance potential, the Dakota RT never reached the legendary status of some other muscle trucks from the 1990s. Part of the reason was timing. It arrived during a period when SUVs were becoming extremely popular, and many buyers overlooked sporty pickups. Today, the Dakota RT has gained a stronger following because enthusiasts recognize what made it special. It was one of the last affordable mid-size V8 trucks built with a focus on driving enjoyment. The 1998 Dodge Dakota RT represents a unique chapter in truck history, a time when manufacturers still created vehicles simply because they were fun. It combined the practicality of a pickup with the attitude of an American muscle car, making it one of the most memorable forgotten performance trucks of the 90s. Number 1. 1991 GMC Sonoma GT. At the top of this list is one of the rarest and most overlooked performance trucks of the 1990s, the 1991 GMC Sonoma GT. While many enthusiasts remember the famous GMC Syclone, the Sonoma GT often remains hidden in its shadow. But this compact pickup deserves recognition as one of the most interesting factory muscle trucks ever produced. The Sonoma GT started with the regular GMC Sonoma pickup, but it received a series of upgrades that transformed its personality. Under the hood was a specially tuned 4.3-liter V6 engine featuring performance improvements that helped it produce around 195 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. Those numbers may not seem extreme today, but the Sonoma GT was a lightweight truck. Its smaller size, rear-wheel drive layout, and aggressive gearing gave it a surprisingly quick and exciting driving experience. The exterior was where the Sonoma GT truly stood out. It featured a unique ground effects package, special wheels, lowered suspension, and styling details that made it look unlike any ordinary compact pickup. GMC wanted this truck to have a factory custom appearance straight from the dealership. Only a limited number of Sonoma GT trucks were produced, making them rare even when they were new. Because many were driven hard or modified over the years, Finding an original example today is a challenge. The Sonoma GT represents a forgotten era when manufacturers experimented with compact performance trucks before the segment disappeared. It showed that a small pickup could have style, personality, and enough performance to excite enthusiasts. Although it never became as famous as the Syclone, the Sonoma GT played an important role in GMC's performance truck history. It proved that a truck didn't need a huge engine to deliver a memorable experience. Decades later, collectors are finally giving this unusual pickup the attention it deserves. The 1991 GMC Sonoma GT remains a rare reminder of a time when automakers weren't afraid to create unique vehicles that existed simply to make driving more enjoyable.